The best noodles recipe you've ever seen. To start our recipe, I will start chopping an onion into small pieces, this way. The result is amazing, will surprise you. Then I will add some olive oil in a pan. Then I'll put the chopped onion. Now I will cut a yellow bell pepper, also in small pieces. Tell me if you have any different recipe of noodles, I would love to know. Then I will transfer to the pan along with the onion. Then I will cut a red bell pepper. I'm using yellow and red for this recipe, but you can use the bell peppers of your preference. Now I'll take it to the pan with the rest of the ingredients. Finally, I will cut a tomato, again into small pieces. This recipe is amazing, make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I'll take it to the pot. Once this is done, I will stir all the ingredients constantly with the help of a spatula until everything is braised. Then I will add a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of tomato extract. And then stir again to mix. Now I will add 100 milliliters of water, then I will stir once more, for the ingredients to aggregate and then leave cook for 10 minutes. After time I will uncover and stir again. Done this, I will add 2 units of instant noodles. I will break in the middle to put in the pan. Then I will cover and let cook for 5 minutes. After the time I will stir to mix the noodles in our recipe. Now I will break 2 eggs into a container, mix, and then put in the pan. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will add a little mozzarella to taste over the recipe. Finally, I will add some parsley, also to taste. To finish, I will leave cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.